In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your liked videos and watch later list on Vimeo. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go to quickly revisit videos you've enjoyed and the ones you've saved to watch when you have more time. Let's keep it simple and clear. First, open your preferred web browser and head to vimeo.com. You can do this on a desktop or laptop for the most straightforward experience. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so Vimeo can show your personalized sections. Your liked videos and watch later list are tied to your account, so being signed in is essential. Once you're on Vimeo, look to the left side of the screen for the main navigation. If the sidebar is collapsed, you might see a small menu icon. You can click to expand it. In that left toolbar, select Watch. This takes you to a central hub for your viewing activity. Think of the Watch section as your personal library. On Vimeo, it's where Vimeo gathers the videos you've interacted with and the ones you plan to come back to. Inside Watch, you'll see options that matter most for quick access. Click Liked Videos to open a curated list of everything you've given a like. This is perfect for when you want to revisit a standout tutorial, a short film you enjoyed, or a clip you want to share later. You can open any video from this list to rewatch it, and you'll keep building this collection every time you tap that like button across Vimeo. Next, click Watch Later. This section is where videos you've saved for future viewing live. It's designed to help you keep track of content you want to return to, and it's a convenient way to manage your viewing plan. If you're in a hurry when you find something interesting, add it to Watch Later. Then come back here to pick up where you left off. Depending on your activity, you may also see your recent plays reflected here, making it easy to revisit what you were last watching. A quick tip: if you don't immediately see these options, resize your browser window or scroll the sidebar to reveal everything. Vimeo occasionally updates its layout, but the Watch section remains your go-to for liked videos and watch later. And that's all you need. Go to Vimeo, open Watch from the left toolbar, then choose Liked Videos or Watch Later to get exactly what you need. You're done and ready to jump back into your favorites.